give me the line. Just give me the line. Introducing the star of our show.
What's the deal? Alright, shit, your ass is up over there. What's the deal? How we doing? We're back. Asian session is back. We're back, baby. Ay, ay, ay. Sing a Stain song. It's been a while. Hold on, let me turn this music down because it's too loud for me. Mute that shit. We can't mute him, but we're gonna. There we go. Oh, why do I hear that so loudly? Whatever. I think that's fine. How's everybody doing? Drop a like. Sub to the channel. Let's get this break down started. Right? That was perfect. I came on here and we had our volume song. So, what up, Zoom? Welcome everybody. What up, Jay? Green in the house. Green, you got access to Nightbot, right? You fuck with it yet? It's the deal, Spectrum. Hope everyone's alive and well. Hope everyone had a nice morning. Hope nobody over risked. Hope you're all keeping a level head. Com's like, I always get level head. Anyway, breakdown time. Yeah, ooh, it's daily closed. Ugly, huh? Barely a bottom wick here. No bottom wick. You gotta really extend that shit to see it. So, I expect to reject here today on the daily. Let's see how the 4 hours doing here. Okay, we formed a support, 4 hour, 1 hour. Honestly, chat, I would not mind some buys based on the way we closed on a daily here. Looks like you're having some decent buys right now, but we're too late for it. Right, as you had a rejection here on the 30, this 30 closed no bottom wick. Then you had a bearish candle on the 30 close, but still respect this area. Now you're breaking up above here. I think anything above here to fill the range is pretty good, and then more buys up above the range. Very interesting. So let's see if we can come up here. I think anything above 1918. Yeah, above 1918, we're looking pretty delicious. We can all eat above there. We need to get up there first. We need to have some kind of closure, and I think at that point, right, because we have to be careful here. We have to look for the daily rejection. Yes, the previous daily doesn't really have a bottom wick, but at any moment this daily can still flip. This daily still doesn't have a bottom wick either. So we want some kind of liquidity grab and then a drive. And for me to see that, I'd need us to close above the range and then grab liquidity, or really come down here to around 1915 areas and then come back up again. And then I'm down to take these buys. Chat, give me 1 second. I got an important phone call I gotta take. All right, sorry gang. I had an important phone call that I've been waiting on. But for us to take buys, I'm gonna look for a support to be formed and to drive off that support, which means we need to form a resistance, support, another range. If so, facto. Buys above here. Ideally to fill this range, but only buys above there if we can come down and tap maybe around 1916. Yeah, around 1916 areas. We don't come down here, grab liquidity at 1916 to drive up. I'm gonna maybe look for retest of the lows here. Yeah, closure below this area, top wick, back to 1916 flat, and we'll have a drive down. That's what's been happening here every single time we've closed below. So I'm going to look for a repeat of either this, a closure below, and drive down here, closure, drive, closure, respect to the zone, drive down. So the goal is for that same thing to happen again. Right here we had a closure below and drove down. Oh, hold on, Wix 12 is here. Hold on. Another phone call? Kids. What the fuck happened to the Android? No, that's my daughter's phone. That's the 3-year-old's iPhone. Don't ask me questions. That's the 3-year-old's phone. My phone's right here. Oh, wait. Can we stop drawing? Yes. There we go. So, closure. Below here, I'm still going to look for a pullback. But overall, so we'll start looking at sells below 1915.73. Good deal. If we can pull back here to 1916, 1915 areas, and then close above 1917.95, I'll be very interested in buys. Uh-oh. What's up? All right, yeah, so that's what we're looking for. We're looking to tap these areas and then start rejecting and breaking these highs with 5-minute closures, obviously above 1917.948. Ideally, we can flip here on the daily, break the 4-hour low, and the next 4-hour at 9 o'clock starts coming back up, re-breaking these highs here, and then we can have a drive up. So 1924 areas, 1921 areas. Let's see how far we come down here on the hourly. Getting a 30 closure. This is the range we want to fill here. Here, 17.9 to 21.2. But because we're so bearish on the daily, we need a resistance formed above here and a support, and then a break of that, a drive off that support to break a resistance. I would love it if this candle came down here first, tapped it, and then flipped back bullish, right? For us to start driving up here. We could see that. If we could see this here, then I'll be in buys here. With the idea of filling this range from 17 to 21. I think it's funny how you call your kids by their age. No, Wix 12 is just the next one, and she's not 12, she's 3. Wix 12 is 3. 12 because I'm 9, and then there's 10, 11, and 12. You know if Don Vo still does New York session Zoom sessions? Yeah, I was on the Zoom today. It's 23-minute. I mean, we could check the 23-minute. Let's check the 23-minute. Let's see what's going on over there. $23-minute is telling you like it sees it. And it sees a range. And that's what 23-minute is, just telling it to you without sugarcoating it. Got a 30-minute close in it. And it flipped bearish. Look at that. Might come down to retest the bottom of this range. Ooh, it's gonna close doji, isn't it? So we can basically wipe this candle clean here. Yeah, weak bearish. Just come down, test the bottom of this range, and then react. Yeah, to create a 4-hour bottom wick. Yeah, I'm not totally against that sentiment. I wouldn't mind. Did Green answer me from earlier? Wanted to know if he fucked around with the Nightbot. You messing with the Nightbot? Let me find out. Yo, chat, drop a like. We don't even have 100 likes. We're damn near 100,000 subscribers, and we don't have 100 likes on the stream. Sub to the channel. Get us. We're almost at 100K here. Only 86.6K away. Almost there. So you better drop a like. Nah, he ain't working. He took the day off, Green. Nightbot called in sick. Called out sick. He by the wall with a cooler. Trade all 3 sessions? No. New York and Asian. Most of the trades are in New York. It's gonna be a while till you guys get this to 420 viewers, huh? You know, I wouldn't even take. I'm gonna move this right here because I believe that we can come up to that area, come down to that area to grab a wick. So I feel comfortable if we break the lows and then form a support and then get a top wick and then break that support, then I'll take sells here, but I'm not gonna take anything in this range. If we come down, tap this area, we'll come back up to drive. And I mean, that's That's what happened on the hourly when we come down here. Just reject it. It's our range for the hourly. So once we get those closures, we can utilize that range. When it's time, it's time. I'm just trying to get to 420. Yo, Green. Nightbot said,
how about new?
he ain't coming in to work. Told you already. He's like an Italian during lunchtime, right? It's, or no, like Spaniard, right? Or what do they have at lunch? Siesta? They got a siesta for half the day. Nightbot's fucking dancing flamenco right now. Fuck this stream. He ain't showing up. Yo, it's the 5th of July, and these assholes are outside doing fireworks. Yo, there's a few knuckleheads outside doing massive fireworks right now outside my house. Well, I'm about to do fireworks inside my house. Does the range 2 breakout still apply on the 5-minute? Yes, it's a concept I still utilize and look at. Like the earlier zone I had drawn here, that separates the ranges here, but on the 5-minute, I'm going to look at it as a range 2 breakout already happened, and we're looking at a support forming in a bullish direction. Flag and pole pattern on 15-minute.
Think about that. That's just dumb.
These flags, these poles. Florida, can you just walk outside with the blicky? You can, but you got to have it concealed. You can't just walk outside with it and just start waving it around like it's Texas. No, it's got to be concealed. Nobody can know that you have it. I'm from Texas. We got any carry now. I know. I seen videos of people on on TikTok, just walking around, just fucking machine gun, anti-aircraft gun over his shoulder, right? AK-47 over the other shoulder. The fucking dog's running next to him with a fucking 6 hour. It's crazy, right? The duck next to the dog has a little fucking straw with a fucking one of those African shits. Quack. Texas is crazy. The roosters are carrying. Everybody's carrying. Look, I actually think responsible gun owners are a good thing, right? Most of the, you know what? Let's get off this topic. It doesn't even matter. Because next thing you know, and it's gonna be stream over. YouTube gonna get us. Right. Don't even matter. Like, can't say the W word. Can't say the T word. You can't say the C word. You can't say the R word. You can't say the G word. What can you say? Well, I don't really talk. I let the soundboard do the talking, right? If anything, they banned the soundboard. That's all I can say. Like Forrest Gump talking about Vietnam. And that's all I got to say about that. Can't say the N-word. That was loud as fuck. I haven't even lit this yet. How you know? Shit is loud as fuck. You guys hear this? Can you hear it? Wix, I'm about to beat your ass with a banana. You know, on here, it's kind of sus. But if you stand in the middle of the Vegas Strip and say those exact words, it doesn't even matter the tone you say it with. You probably get 2 or 3 volunteers. Just saying. Yo, can we smoke already? Where's the viewers? Where's the 50 more viewers? They don't want us to smoke. Guess who's doing a social experiment in Vegas? Go for it. Film it. What else can Nightbot do? Green. You are Nightbot today. What can he do? Nightbot don't be showing up for work. Can you please tell me the times with volume for gold in the market respectively? Well, yeah. Anytime Nightbot first day on the job. Word. He went to the wrong department. Yo. He went to the wrong. Yo. He's Daybot right now. He's covering the wrong shift. Yeah, anytime there's a catalyst in the market is a good time, right? So market opens, market closes, market overlaps, comics open, NYSE open, pre-London, pre-NY, middle of, or Asia open, right? Middle of, those are all good times, and anytime after news. But you are correct. If you're new here, you're correct in trying to figure out when the volume times are, because that's really the times you want to be in the market. You don't want to sit here all day, every day. Just have your specific, time frame for when you're on, picked out, selected. You're on from that moment to that moment. That's it. The rest of the day, you enjoy. When you started trading, did you trade many pairs? Yes. Traded many pairs. Buy gold, you. Listen to me. Just checking out what the point of coming Asian is. They normally don't have volume. No, I mean, Asian's been picking up. Honestly, we've had volume the last few weeks. Last one really hurt him. No wonder Don banned me. When did he ban me? That was years ago. And I didn't have the soundboard yet. It was a troll in his mind. You always go live in the Asian session. We're live 8 p.m. Eastern every single weekday, and we are live 6:30 a.m. Eastern every single weekday on Mr. Don Fo's stream. By the way, go to his channel, sub over there. The boy's the GOAT. The GOAT. During the Philip Mignon. Yeah. Yeah, these are all recorded. Every single one is on YouTube. The last year of these and the last 3 years of Don's streams are all there. Your sound effects is so much louder than your mic. Yes, that's the whole point. It's to wake you the fuck up. Whoops, wrong one. But that one's for a joke. And we didn't do a joke here. Insert joke here. Hey, Damon. Ditto. So what have we done here? 4-hour closing. How's the 4-hour closing? We really want this 4-hour above here, right? We want the 4-hour above 1917.1, because if we close right at it, we might just range for the rest of the session for the next 4-hour. Mohammed Hussein. I bought at 1896, holding till 1950. Well, then you're just in the middle of a pullback, and you bought right here. You telling me? You know what? Never mind. How long you been trading gold exclusively? A year. Yeah, I better not bring this Chabella in here. Nightbot don't speak that language. If you bought from $1, damn, you've never missed a move. If you bought at the dollar, you caught every single move ever. Every move that's ever happened ever in the history of ever on gold ever. You caught everything. Still riding this from $1. 100% catching moves rate. Yeah, no, I understand. You got to buy after a small time frame, yeah. What are you waiting for? You're right. I don't know what I'm waiting for. I should have lit this up a long time ago. Yeah, I ate that. Already time to flip the tape. Thank you very much. Appreciate the help. Damn, that's good. It's so good I got the munchies right away. You ever don't even need to wait for munchies? You just take a pull and you're like, oh, damn. Get me a Reese's peanut butter cup. Ta-da! Oh, there's some good peanut butter in there. What? Oh. That's that one hitter munchie. Yeah, Reese's ain't playing with the sugar. Yeah. I just got diabetes from that. That's crazy. Need a new dentist. That shit was sweet. Chad, don't be getting this shit for your kids. That was extra sweet. Risa said double it. I don't know how you can eat 2 of those big ass cups. Alright, can we push up here before the 4-hour close? Or will we respect 1917-11? Is all. Kids shouldn't be eating processed sugar at all. I agree. Thank you for showing up. HFX, drop a like, sub to the channel before you dip. Appreciate you. Hey, look who showed up. Nightbot's in the house. Where you been? Two minutes. Can we close above here on the 4 if we can? Just need the bottom wick and a break of the highs here to have some position of the rippets. Let's see how we play out here. Seconds. Oh wait, 40 seconds. Oops. $20 seconds. Can we close above there? driving up here. This is interesting. We don't get a bottom wick here. Four-hour closed above. This is great. So we need a bottom wick on this current 4 hour, and then a closure above. Oh, sorry, Zoom gang. Completely neglected you for a minute. Come on in. Come on in. Come on. Welcome down one. All right, we're closing above here. Oh, we're breaking up above here. If we can come down, break this previous 5-minute low on the next 5, and then flip bullish, that's going to be our position. Good. This one, no bottom, a lot of volume. See, a lot of volume because this one had no bottom wick, drove up, and this one just driving straight up. So this is good. Fall. Our stops will be below this previous 5-minute level as long as we can come down, make a bottom wick for this current 4, this current 1 hour, and the previous 5 at that point. Looking for sales? No, I was looking for the market to drive up here based on the daily closure. Ooh, 5-minute closing here. Closed above, but I got no positions. I want to re-break at the lows, and then I'll take position. And we closed above with no top wick. We can close bearish on this 5, but above 1918 112, we'll have buy stops on the next 5. Right? If we close like this, we'll have buy stops right here. If next 5 close back in range, fake out to continue bearish, I'm not so sure, but I won't take that. I'll wait for an established support and see if we can re-break the highs to fill the range up here. It's 21. My target, 21, 2. Yeah, it would be a 5-minute celery play. Closure above the range. Better here. Can't take this flip. That previous 5 had no top wick, so we have to wait for this 5 to close or to create a bottom wick also for it. I need a steep bottom wick. Not steep, but to come down to the lows of the previous 5 at least. It's only 10 pips. We don't want to close there. We want to just tap those areas and back up. Alright, so we closed on this 5 respecting this area, right? That's what we wanted. We wanted a respect to this area. Now we want a bottom wick here and then a flip. Once we get a bottom wick, I'll have a buy stop on the break of this previous 5 high. 1918.6. I need a bottom wick here. If this just starts driving up here, I'm not going to take a position. because here at any point it could just flip bearish and drive down. We didn't grab liquidity anywhere below here. Right, and the hourly doesn't have a bottom wick, so the 5, perfect. So this is good. We're coming down here. We're respecting. Yeah, if it drives here, it drives. I'm not in here. I won't be in here unless we come down and grab a wick and create a bottom wick on this hourly. At any moment, this hourly can flip. If we can come down here, create a bottom wick for this hourly, and then re-break the highs that and re-break the resistance that we just established here on the 5, right? I'll be all over it like shit on Velcro, but we need to break this low and then come back up. Any trade's okay to take as long as your risk is managed, right? As long as you know what you're risking and why you're risking it, why you're taking the trade, and your probabilities, and if you're just testing it out, and if you're sample sizing, definitely you should have your risk management in play. Then it's okay to take it as long as it's your position that you've looked for, but I'm not taking this. And it can drive. I mean, it's more likely to drive than not, right? But I don't have comfort level here, confidence here. Getting a 15 closure here now too. Chat, if we can come down, re-break the 15 lows. Where's the 15 level? So this isn't a bad level on the 15 either. Right? If we can break the 15 lows right now and then come up, I might have a buy stop on the flip. Right? Down to here. This area. We'll take a buy stop on the flip to drive up. But we gotta break this area here. Here we go, new 15. We respected. See, we respected 1917, 948. So we might not break these lows, might make a little bottom wick and drive up. But if we do, then we'll be in there. We'll have a better entry. See, it might respect it. If it respects it here, I just won't be in the play. Okay, the 30 and the 1 hour have flipped. Barely. We've tapped these areas on the 15 that we wanted. Let's just break these lows. Barely broke them. I'm gonna have a buy stop right here on the break of the current candle high. No, chat. I'm gonna have a buy stop on the break of the previous candle high here. Right here. I have a buy stop right there. Actually, how many more pips is that? 3 pips, huh? Yeah, I think that's a, make sure you're accounting for spread, chat. So if with spread, that's 5 pips. The range is 20, right? So, I mean, it should be enough for us. Looking to see, I want to see, because we want to re-break these highs, right? And then the 5, it's a level here. So if the 15 drives, I want to re-break of all these highs. And then above here we have roughly 24 pips as an advantage point. Stops should be below here, roughly 40 pips, right? And our overall TP is right here, 24. So you're looking roughly at 55 pips. That's perfect. The lows are broken. My buy stop is 1918.73. And it's only for this 15-minute candle, right? So we got 10 more minutes for this to activate. Otherwise, the 30 closes back in range, flipping bearish here, and we're gonna see how we close at 9:30, maybe top wick, and we can look to come down, retest the lows here on the higher time frame. Let's see. right? Retest the lows, which would also give the 4-hour a bottom wick, which would also flip the daily. Right, so let's see if we can get ahead of that. But we need the 30 closure, right? If we don't break these highs, no harm, no foul. If we break these highs, we're heading up to 1921 over here. And if we stay below here, most likely, honestly, I'm going to wait not on the 30. It depends how the 30 closes. But the hourly is when we want to close. We want the hourly then at that point below 1917.1 top wick, and then we'll look for sells, excuse me, to retest the lows and see if we can get that daily bottom wick. No, no one's activated. We were never even close. We wouldn't be activated even if we wanted to flip. The only way you're activated is if you're hurried up. There's a reason it's a buy stop, right? Because if we don't get there, it's no harm, no foul. But if we do get there, we're driving up. No one should be even close to it. Only way you're in is if you manually execute it. And we break this previous hourly low, I'm gonna delete the buy stop. Or be patient. What's the deal, Eddie? Eddie. Eddie lifts. You know, for some people, I just woke up like 4 blocks. The 4-block radius around you knows exactly who you are right now. All right, I'm sorry. I won't do it again. Scared. All right, all right. Calling the FBI. Yo, stop playing games right now, yo. Yo, who called these people? Yo, anybody else get a heart attack whenever, I swear, I get a heart attack. Every time I listen to a song and there's a police sound in there, it's like, I'm gonna be like, whoa. Gotta change this track. Because it could be one of two things. It's either Jadakiss song, or it's the real police. It's because you guilty. Yeah. Mixtapes from the early 2000s. Yeah, every single track would fucking start with a sound of the police. Throw the weed? Nah, I eat that shit. Sort your sound levels. Here's the thing, they were sorted, but then I decided to make all of the soundboard at 100%. All of it, just so it could be louder than anything. I'm obnoxious like that. Go figure. Come in. Do the sirens. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna. Hold on. Let's take a poll. Let's take a poll. Let's have a poll. Wait, how do I do a poll? There we go. Oh. Alright, we're doing a poll for this. Looks like I got the biggest polls. Straight cheese. Alright, chat, I'm gonna delete these buy stops here. Delete. Nice, this 30 is gonna close really bearish. God damn. Now I'm really curious about those don't give a fuck people. A quarter of you are lit out your mind right now that you have no clue and really don't care about what's going on around you. Yes, it's here, chat. It's here. Do the fade away. Alrighty. That was exciting. Sit your asses down in that comfy ass computer chair. Fix your banana shaped back. Alright, chat. I think I'm gonna end the poll here. Yep. 47%. An overwhelming amount of people. Ooh. Driving up here. I think it's a top wick for us to come down on the 30. Could be. We have to wait. Like, I have to wait for this hourly to close here now, or we can get the 5s closing back above our resistance. But at that point, at this point, let's see how we close above here. If we do, we might still have some buys. And the reason I say that is that we've cleared. I know you guys see this, right? But I see that we've cleared that out, and I think we're gonna repeat what happened here on the drive down. We'll mirror that, and all these orders were already cleared out when it drove down here. Lloyd in the house. What up? Oh, you don't want no part of this. Lighten one up right now. Or manual. Definitely manual. How do I get in your Zooms? Well, everyone in the Zooms right now is part of the clubhouse or Wix's table. And if you join Wix's table, you also get into the private session on Sundays. For a limited time, if you join now, one difficult payment of $25. I mean, yeah, re-breaking the highs here. Did what we wanted it to do, just a little later. Created the bottom wick for the 4-hour, reflipped. The issue now is closure is above. Uh-oh, hold on, Wix 11 is here. Hold on, what do you want? You want what? You want the Reese's cup? Oh. Chat, she wants the Reese's cup. Psych. It's mine. All right, half, okay? You can have half because it's too sweet. I'm even gonna let you bite it. take the bigger half. You be the bigger half. Hold on, no. Eat here. Otherwise, all 48 of your sisters will run in here and ask me for peanut butter cup. Eat here, all right? Don't tell mom. Don't tell mom. Get me to the Discord when you get a chance. Hey, my bad. Yeah, I saw your message. I completely forgot about it. Can you please explain the Sunday stream? I'd like to join. Yeah, we do a private session. I have a Sunday unfiltered. So right now, everyone on Zoom, they're on Zoom, but they're locked, right? They can't talk. They can't show their cam. Well, unless I put them on like Lloyd over here, right? But you all get to follow in real time with no delay, right? Whatever trade I take, there's no delay on it. There's a delay on YouTube. And for Sundays, it's a free-for-all, right? Sundays unfiltered, so you get to open up your cams, you get to open up your mics. I leave them open, and we all just have a discussion. And the last few have been really, really beneficial, right? And especially the one we covered for London. We got some nice positions. Anyway, you have to sub to the channel and then click the join button. Anyway. Nah, eat it in front of her builds character. That's funny. Nah, yeah, she gonna run to her sisters with chocolate teeth, but her sisters don't tell mom. Her sisters come to me. Right, there's a resistance here. We can move this up over here. Really interested in the closure above here, and might be an off the rip type of thing. You recommend signals before being profitable? I don't recommend signals before you're in tune with the signal provider. So figure out how your signal provider trades. See if you would take those positions. See if you're able to cash those positions when they give signals. See if you're able to follow those, manage risk. You really have to know when your signal provider is looking for a position as well, right? You want to. Your wife watches the stream, you gonna have a problem with that rescope? Yeah, it happens from time to time. Sometimes she does. Sometimes she goes like, remember like 8 months ago, you had a stream? I was on it. I heard what you said. I'd be like, what? 8 months ago? I gotta go. You don't ever want to continue a conversation where something from 8 months ago is brought up, right? Let me tell you something. Remember that Malaysian flight that disappeared? I promise you, if there was a dude on there who had an angry ex-girlfriend, she would have found the plane. Would have found it. She would have investigated. I don't care. 8 months later, a year later. I'm telling you, women investigate shit. How long has it been? It's been like 10 years. They haven't found a thing. It's been a long time. They even made a document series on Netflix. Yeah, I saw that. I actually saw that. I read that they found like a wing or something off of it, or like a piece of the plane, but then I read that they can't really conclude for sure. Did you go on a tour submarine around Titanic? Yeah. You go first. Russia missile shot MH17. I don't know. Breaking up above here. Let's see. Let's see. I really don't like this. Yeah, this is where I look for buys. We close above 19, 19, 19, 19, about 19.13. I'll be in off the rip. I don't know. I miss Tian Wayne too. Damn, they came here full force looking for candy. I told them I'm out. Dudes were right, chat. She called backup. Looking like a 43 pip stop. That's not bad. me 1 second. I gotta pee. Give me 1 second. Takes a joint. No, I really do. Oh, damn.
The smoke got me. I got bronchitis.
Plug the Don. I don't know where he's at. What happened to Mr. Damo? Yeah. Nobody did the plug? Yeah. 6:30 a.m. Eastern tomorrow morning. New York session is live. Live. Dan Vo. Why you calling him Dan? Hey bro, new to the channel. Bought the 1916.75 based on order block. It caused the recent... What? I don't know, Sufi Khan or Sufai Khan or Sufi Khan. Sorry if I butchered the name. I'm not sure. I don't even know what that thing is. We just trade a little different. Yeah, Dan's on tomorrow morning. 222 likes. Deuce, 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 deuce. Deuces across the board. Liquidity grabbed. Last time we were coming up here, we filled the range up, came back down, found support, filled it back up, closed above here, and never looked back. And we do that right here. We come down here now, tap this support and close back above. Right, like such. And then when that happens, we'll look for ice. Tap this, break up. I'm not looking too much at the hourly closure here. I know the hourly's closing, but we have massive like bullish volume. We've just been driving up. 4 hour, 1 hour, straight upward movement, straight upward movement. Yeah, I think if in a minute we close above 19.137, I might be off the Ripper, off of the Ripper. You're inside? Yes, I'm inside. Inside my house. Am I in the trade? No, I am not. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's weird. You guys hear that? I don't know. What the fuck? Yo. Yo, what was that? Alright, hold on, I'm gonna turn down the volume. I don't know what that is. It's supposed to be a voice changer. What it's supposed to do? My honesty. It's supposed to be a voice changer, but apparently it tripped people out. Yeah, we're just driving. Yeah, I prefer clean traffic, yeah. Well, I also prefer for this to wait for us, if it can. So I don't want a steep wick here. Once we close here, we have a wick. Once we close here, I'm gonna look to be either off the rip or a bottom wick to at least like 19.1915. Not a big bottom wick, but just to bounce off this area, bounce off some area, right? We've almost filled this range, the hourly, right? Why didn't you enter? I'm waiting on a closure. Hourly must leave a top wick. Four, three, two, one. Chat. I'm gonna have a buy stop here on the break of the previous candle high. Right here. Right. Might actually enter manually if I don't have time. I don't know yet. No, I haven't entered yet. I'm setting up my voice stop. I'm not in. I got a buy stop above the previous 5 high. I don't know how long we're going to sit through the position, but I'll look to manage risk at the top of this range once we start filling it. Roughly 12, 13 pips. Yeah, well, not the flip. I'm not looking for the flip. The break of the previous candle high. It's late for our session here. We should fill the range technically. If we grab liquidity here and then re-break the highs, we should fill the range up, technically speaking. Broke the previous 5 low. If we never come back up, no harm, no foul. I'm fine with breaking the previous 15 low. What I'm not fine is the 15 closing bearish below 1917.948 or breaking the 30 low. One of those two will delete the buy stops. That'll be our stream for the day. $5 minute no bottom wick on your MT5. Well, it just made one for it. Oh, the one that closed? That's fine, yeah. That's good. That's good, no bottom wick. Maybe it'll reject here and come back up. Gotcha. If this candle doesn't come up here and drive up, I'm gonna call it a stream. Because now we've created this. We wanted to drive up on that initial 5 candle, right? But now that it's closed bearish, this is our resistance here, right? And we need this candle to either drive up, break it, or we're gonna need to start seeing more closures. And at that point, I'm not gonna sit here till London. Yeah, I guess this is an hourly level here as well. That's why it's pulling back. Might close back in range for some sells later on for London, pre-London. Let's stay to London. Yeah, respecting 1919.113 here for now. 1919.13. And it's respecting this little resistance here. Yeah, close below it. So I'm gonna delete these buy stops. You guys could hold on to them if you want to. I'm gonna call it a stream here. I really wanted this candle to drive. Now if it starts coming up here, we need now you need a closure above here. This is what it looks like, and then you're gonna need to see a pull. And it's getting into quiet time now. I mean, it could still happen here. I wanted it on that candle. I got rid of the buy stop. What might happen here is we might come up, tap this level, and reject and come back down in range. That candle didn't drive. It respected this level, right? So now we're pulling up. We can just tap here, tap this area, and flip bearish unless we just, unless we start getting closure above here, another bottom wick gonna drive. I don't want to tap this area and flip bearish, right? I want to end up looking like this because it can come up. Of course, it can come up. We close bullish, but the thing is, it respected this area, so it's more of a smaller time frame zucchini. You understand? Now it closes bullish, but it closed bullish respecting this area. Get a top wick, and then it starts breaking these lows and flipping. Right, and the daily was bearish, so you might get a zucchini heading down here the way this candle respected this area. So I'm gonna call it a stream here. I appreciate all yous. Yeah, remove the option where you can listen to your own voice. You're right. That's what it is. It was that. Damn, there's people in the waiting room. Who's in the waiting room? Adam Honawa and Don Juan. Don Juan been entering, leaving. What's going on? All right, chat. That's our session. It's been fun. I gotta go put my kids to bed. I hope they didn't fall asleep yet. That's my favorite part of the day, is putting them to bed. I'm gonna wait for London to set up. We have a lot of volume, right? We have a lot of volume. So I'm gonna wait for London to set up, and I'm gonna be on for London. I will see you guys tomorrow. Same time, same place. Asian session, 8 p.m. Eastern. You guys already know the deal. Our session. Bravo. Bravo. All right, gang. Just like that. Another Asian session is in the books, chat. I will see you tomorrow. Love and wisdom to you all.